post-AI economy doesn't need more passive users, it demands active architects. We don't just teach students about AI agents, we force them to build the brain from the first line of code. Leveraging multi-modal learning, we strip away the abstraction. Students visually assemble complex transformer architectures. They aren't memorizing definitions, they are engineering the structure of intelligence. We push beyond basic recall. Using Webb's depth of knowledge, students must evaluate trade-offs between model families and token economics. They learn to make the high-stakes architectural decisions required in enterprise environments. This is the core of our philosophy, curiosity-driven learning. In the Parameter Lab, there are no static textbooks. Students tweak temperature and top P in real time, embracing productive failure to intuitively grasp how LLMs hallucinate or create. But code is only half the job. To ensure true employability, we integrate Fink's taxonomy of significant learning. We turn dry legal compliance into an investigation. Students learn to navigate licensing, data privacy, and ethical deployment. We aren't just graduating coders, we are certifying the AI workforce of tomorrow. Bridge the gap between curriculum and career. This is Memebu, the new standard for AI education.